Have you ever wondered if the temperature on the moon is either hot or cold? So at night, the moon is negative 160 degrees Celsius, but in the day, it's 100 degrees Celsius. So, to represent freezing temperatures like negative 160 degrees requires the use of negative numbers. Notice that 160 degrees Celsius is the opposite of negative 160 degrees Celsius. In fact, every positive number has an opposite negative number and vice versa. The set of positive integers, there are opposites, and 0 comprise the set of integers. So they are called integers, which are also known as signed numbers. So opposite quantities abound in real life. Like, for example, 1 kilometer north is the opposite on 1 kilometer south. A profit of $800 is the opposite of the loss of $800. So you're gonna just either gonna answer if it's positive or it's negative. So first, the price of each share of stock dropped by $4. So from the word drop, that means negative. So it's negative $4. Next, a submarine is 26 meters below the sea level. So 26 meters below the sea level. So we have the word below. Below. So that means it's also negative. So it's negative 26 meters. Next, a savings account gained an interest of $120. So from the word gain, that means it gained. It went up. So it's positive $120. Next, an airplane flies 27,000 feet above sea level. From the word above, which means goes up. So above sea level, so it's positive. Why is there a dollar sign? Positive 27,000 feet. Next, Antarctica recorded a temperature of 54 degrees Celsius below zero. So 54 degrees Celsius below zero. So from the word again, below, which means negative 54 degrees Celsius. Let's understand it even further. So let's have a number line from 0 to 3 and negative 3 to 3, I mean. So our center one will be 0. So 1, 2, 3. So on the left of the number line will be the negatives. So the opposite of negative 1 is 1. And the opposite of negative 3 is positive 3. So opposite numbers have the same magnitude but different signs. The opposite of a number is also called its additive inverse. So the additive inverse of 5 is -5. Now let's arrange the integers. Let's have 6, -2, 8, 0, and 3. Actually, let's have -8. So let's have these arranged in ascending order and in descending order. So let's first have the ascending order. So numbers arranged in ascending order begin with the least in value and end with the highest in value. So that means our least number here are from the negatives. So our least here is -8. So we're gonna add -8. So since we're dealing with negatives, so you're gonna find the big number that is on the negative. So that means that's our number with the least value since we're working on negatives. So next is -2. Then we have 0, 3, and 6. Now let's arrange it on descending order. So we're working with the greatest in value and end with the least in value. So we're just gonna simply reverse this. So this will be 6, this will be 3, 0, -2, and -8.